As a young boy, when I was in Don Bosco Panjim, in fact, I joined Don Bosco Panjim in Standard 5. Before that, I was in Rosary School, Dona Paula. And right from a young age, I was quite impressed and attracted by the Salesians. The brothers over there used to teach us in the class subjects, even such as Hindi, geography, mathematics, science. And it was there that I fell in love with the Salesians. When I was a young boy, I was in the Legion of Mary, and I was in the Junior Presidium. I was the secretary over there, and also in the chapel. Now it's become a Rosary Church in Jerusalem. I was an altar boy, and maybe it was there as well as in my family, growing up in a very devout family, that I found my vocation. We used to always pray the family rosary. I was an altar boy, and I used to take part in many of the activities of the chapel. It is rather interesting that I was also taken to the seminary in Saligaon, that is in Goa, by our then chaplain, Father Avinash Rebello. And around the same time, when I was in the 7th standard, Father Benedict Furtado, he was the rector and principal at Don Bosco Panjim. He asked some of us to go for a camp, a vocation camp to Don Bosco Lanavla. It was about a 5 days camp. And then after that, I was asked to choose between the Saligaon Seminary and Don Bosco's. I don't know at that time, since I was with the Salesian fathers, I chose Don Bosco Lanavla. And then my story began, the vocation story. It was there that I picked up a lot of my skills at music, at teaching. I loved mathematics, and I still love mathematics. I taught mathematics as a brother, as a priest, a vice principal in Don Bosco Lanavla, as a principal at Don Bosco Lanavla, at St. Joseph's, and now even here at Don Bosco Matunga. That's because I'm passionate about the subject. I love music. It was in Don Bosco Lanavla that I was introduced in the band. I picked up the horn, then went on to the euphonium, and thereafter to the trumpet. But the guitar, which is my first love, it was only in my novitiate that I picked it up. And ever since, I have really kept in touch with the guitar. That is my go-to moments, especially when I'm a little tired, maybe depressed. And these are a few moments that I feel that help me to really boost up for the day and maybe for the days to come. Also sports was my first love. In fact, only those who have grown up with me will know that I loved games. And being in Goa, football is a game that we love. And football was a game that I really enjoyed. And for you, my dear boys, my dear youngsters, my message to you is this. Be true to your calling, be true to yourself. And it is very important to learn skills from a very young age. You don't know when these skills are going to help you, when these skills are going to come in use, when these skills will help you draw closer to the people with whom you are working. And I realized that my skills at games, at music, at teaching have been so very useful to draw the youngsters closer to their goal and closer to God. And as a Salesian priest, especially as a principal and in charge of schools, I have realize that the more we trust in God, the more we have faith in our Blessed Mother, we will know what miracles are. I have seen miracles happening every day. And this is my message to you. Learn to trust in God. Learn to trust in divine providence, and God and our Blessed Mother will take care of us. God bless you.